Students, in this video, I am going to discuss adjoint and self-adjoint operator. And this will be used in the next topic, which is nothing but Green's function. Okay, so before going to discuss Green's function, I want to discuss adjoint and self-adjoint operator. So what is adjoint operator? What is self-adjoint operator? And then we will use this in Green's function. So first is adjoint equation of second order linear differential equation. So consider the second order homogeneous linear differential equation this: a naught x y double dash plus a1x y dash plus a2x y is equal to 0. So we have considered second order differential equation. Here a naught has a second order derivative, a1 has continuous first order derivative, and a2 is continuous, and a naught x is greater than 0 on the interval a to b. Okay, so let L be the differential operator defined by this L, which is nothing but a naught x d2 by dx2 plus a1x d by dx plus a2x. From here, so here then 1 can be written as Ly is equals to 0. If you operate this on y, then you will get the same result. Okay, so here we have not written y here and y here. So when you operate this operator on y, so y will come here, y will come here, y will come here, and then we will get the same result as in equation number 1. That's why this is Ly is equals to 0, where x is from a to b. So this is third equation. Now by the adjoint operator, if we have this as our equation, then the adjoint operator m of L, that means this operator, is defined as my, which is nothing but d by dx d2 by dx2 a naught x yx minus d by dx a1x yx plus a2x yx. So this is the adjoint operator of this. If L is the differential operator of this form, then its adjoint operator is defined by this. Okay, also my is equals to 0, that means here this is the operator form, but when my is equal to 0, then this is known as the adjoint of equation number 1. If this is the equation, then its adjoint equation is given by this. That means what? d2 by dx2 a naught x yx minus d by dx a1x yx plus a2x yx is equals to 0. So this is the adjoint equation of equation number 1. Okay, now self-adjoint equation. If the adjoint of any linear homogeneous equation is identical with the equation itself, then the given equation is known as self-adjoint equation. That means what? This myx is exactly same as Ly. Both are if same, identical, then we can say that equation is self-adjoint. So if Ly is equals to my, that means L is equal to m. So Ly is equal to my, then we can say that equation is self-adjoint. Okay, when this adjoint operator is exactly same as the differential operator L, then we can say that equation is, the corresponding equation will be self-adjoint. Okay, now we have theorem number 1, which provides you the condition for the self-adjoint equation. So the necessary and sufficient condition that the second order homogeneous linear differential equation a naught x y double dash plus a1x y dash plus a naught x y is equal to 0, where a naught x is continuously differentiable positive function, a1x has continuous first order derivative on this, to be self adjoint is that a naught x derivative x is equal to a1x, यानी a नॉट डैश इज इक्वल टू a1 के जब बराबर होगा तब हम कहेंगे कि ये जो इक्वेशन है ये सेल्फ एडजॉइंट है. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन. तो किसी इक्वेशन को आप कैसे चेक कर सकते हो कि वो सेल्फ एडजॉइंट है या नहीं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कंडीशन. So now we will prove this. So the adjoint equation of this, so this is the given equation, okay, then the adjoint of this equation will be this d2 dx2 a naught x yx minus d by dx of a1x yx plus a2x y is equal to 0, and we have used the definition this is the adjoint operator. So we have used this or this equation. This is the adjoint equation. So we have used, okay. So this is the adjoint equation. This is the original equation. This is its adjoint equation. Now simplify this. So here is the second derivative. So d by dx. Now differentiate this. So जब एक बार differentiate करेंगे तो order reduce हो जाएगा here. So single order. Here differentiate this. So a naught x derivative of this plus now derivative of this and y as it is minus. Now here differentiate this again. So a1 on x as it is and the derivative of y is dy by dx minus derivative of a1 which is this and y as it is plus a2x y is equal to 0. Now again differentiate this. So we get a naught x d2y by dx2 plus 2a naught x dy by dx plus a naught double dash y minus this and this equal to 0. Okay, now from here this term as it is plus, now from here dy by dx when you combine these two, so we get 2a naught x minus a1x dy by dx plus, now here is y, here is y, here is y, so combine these three terms y and y, so we get this a naught double dash minus a1 dash plus a2 into y is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now the necessary condition. Let equation number 1 be a self-adjoint equation. Then if equation number 1 is self-adjoint, then this equation and this equation both should be identical. This is by the definition this. If both are identical, this and this, if both are identical, this is the equation, this is its adjoint equation. If both are identical, then we can say that the self-adjoint equation. So that means L is equal to M. Okay. So since this is the equation, this is the adjoint equation. So both will be identical. Both should be identical. So we can compare. So here, if you compare this A2 and this is associated with y, here this a2x is associated y, so compare this is equal to this and a1x is equal to this. Here is a naught, so this should be same as this and a2x should be same as this quantity. So here this is compared with a2 and this is compared with a1, this. So here a2 is cancelled out with a2, so we get a naught double dash is equal to a1 dash, and from here a1, so this when you take this a1 in the right hand side, so we get 2a1, 2 is cancelled out with 2, so we get this a naught x is equal to a1x. Okay, now substitute after integrating. First just integrate this, so we get a naught x is equal to a1x plus some constant c, and this term is as it is. So this is suppose A, this is suppose B. So now if you compare these two, here is a naught x, here is a naught x. Okay, so you can replace this a naught x as a1x. So a1x plus c, this quantity is equal to this quantity, but this quantity is nothing but a1x. So a1x is cancelled out with this a1x, so c is 0. So c is 0 means a naught dash is equal to a1, and this is the required condition. Okay, now the sufficient condition. So suppose a naught dash x is equal to a1x. Okay, now multiply both side 2 by 2, so we get 2a0x is equal to 2a1x, and then subtract a1 from left hand side as well as in the right hand side. So we get this 2a0x minus a1x is equal to 2a1 minus a1, which is nothing but in the right hand side a1x. Okay, so this quantity is basically what, from here 2a0, this is nothing but a1x. That means this quantity is nothing but a1x. Now we will find out the value of this quantity. So a0 double dash minus a1 dash plus a2 is equal to a0 double dash. So just differentiate this. So we get a1 dash. दोनों साइड का डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो यहाँ सेकंड डेरिवेटिव जो कि a1 डैश के बराबर होगा. सो a1 डैश माइनस हियर इज ऑलरेडी a1 डैश प्लस a2. सो दिस इज कैंसिल आउट विद दिस. सो वी गेट a2x. सो दिस क्वांटिटी इज बेसिकली नथिंग बट a2x. Hence we will get, from second we will get equation number 1 if we use this condition, and hence we can say that equation is self adjoint. Okay, so this is proved. Now we have a corollary. If a0x y double dash plus a1x y dash plus a2x is equal y is equal to 0 is self adjoint, then it can be rewritten as d by dx of a0x dy by dx plus a2x y is equal to 0. Now the proof. If given equation is, that means this equation is self adjoint, then obviously according to the previous theorem a0 dash इज इक्वल टू a1, दोनों बराबर होने चाहिए. a0 डैश इज इक्वल टू a1 के बराबर होना चाहिए. देन वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस a1 बाय a0 डैश. सो वी गेट दिस इक्वेशन a0x y डबल डैश प्लस a0 डैश y डैश प्लस a2x y इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ हियर दिस कैन बी रिटन एज d बाय dx ऑफ a0x y डैश प्लस a2x y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन. तो अगर ये इक्वेशन सेल्फ एडजॉइंट है तो हम इसको इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक. नाउ द थ्योरम नंबर 2. इफ द कोफिशिएंट a0x a1x a2 इन द इक्वेशन दिस a0x d2y by dx2 plus a1x dy by dx plus a2x y is equals to 0 are continuous on the interval a to b and a0x is non-zero, then it can be transformed into the equivalent self-adjoint equation d by dx of px dy by dx plus qx is y is equals to 0, where px is nothing but e raised to the power integral a1 by a0 dx and qx is a2x divided by a1 x multiplied by e raised to the power integral a1x divided by a0 x dx. यानी अगर आपके पास कोई इक्वेशन है जिसमें जो a0x है ये नॉन ज़ीरो है और ये इक्वेशन सेल्फ एडजॉइंट हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती, बट इफ सपोज नहीं है ये सेल्फ एडजॉइंट, then you can convert this equation into a self adjoint equation which is this, where p naught x is this and qx is this. okay, तो यानी एक नॉन सेल्फ एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन को आप सेल्फ एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. और अगर कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो ये इक्वेशन बन के आएगी, वेयर p इज गिवन बाय दिस एंड q इज गिवन बाय दिस. तो इसको हमें प्रूफ करना है. ओके, सो नाउ this equation is already given to you. a0 d2y by dx2 plus a1x dy by dx plus a2x equal y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now multiplying both sides of 1 by the factor 1 by a0 x e raised to the power integral a1x divided by a0 x dx. तो दोनों साइड में इससे मल्टीप्लाई करा देते हैं. सो ओके, सो हियर व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई, सो a0 से a0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो केवल ये बचेगा पार्ट, e रेज टू द पावर इंटीग्रल a1x डिवाइडेड बाय a0 x dx d2y by dx2 प्लस जब यहाँ करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई इस फैक्टर से, सो a1 बाय a0 एंड e रेज टू द पावर दिस फैक्टर dy by dx प्लस सिमिलरली यहाँ जब करेंगे थर्ड में तो a2 बाय a0 y and then e raised to the power a1x by a0 x dx is equal to 0. राइट में करेंगे तो 0 ही रहेगा. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ओके, अब हमारा क्लेम ये है या इस इक्वेशन को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ, दिस इज नथिंग बट अ फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स, सो ए नॉट एक्स डी टू वाई बाई डी एक्स टू, ये वाला जो पार्ट है दिस कैन बी एज्यूम्ड एज ए वन एक्स डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, प्लस इस पार्ट को मैं लिख सकता हूँ एक्सेप्ट वाई, इस वाई को हटा के इज ए टू and then y is equal to 0, where a naught is nothing but this e raised to the power integral a1 by a naught x dx. What is a1? A1 is this part, a1 by a naught x e raised to the power integral a1 x upon a naught x dx. And what is a2? A2 is this, multiply by this, a2 by a naught e raised to the power a1 by a naught dx. Okay, so this is a, so this is equation number 3. okay, now अब हमारा क्लेम ये है कि ये जो इक्वेशन आया है एक्चुअली ये सेल्फ एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन है. So now we see that a naught x is this part and this is your a1. तो अब इस कंडीशन को चेक करके देख लेते हैं हम. we can check this condition, a naught dash is equal to a1. अगर ऐसा हो गया तो दिस इक्वेशन इज सेल्फ एडजॉइंट हो जाएगी. सो लेट्स सी, a naught is this, a1 is this. So now we will verify the condition. So a naught is this, e raised to the power a1 by a naught dx. Now a naught dash, differentiate this, differentiate a naught a1, a naught, sorry, a naught differentiate. So differentiate this with respect to x. So a naught dash is equal to e raised to the power integral a1 by a naught dx. And now the derivative of this quantity, so here is integral, so an integral will be cancel out when you differentiate this. So we get only a1 by a naught, and this is nothing but a1, and hence equation 3 is self-adjoint equation. So equation 2 is self-adjoint equation. Equation 3 is self-adjoint, that means equation 2 is self-adjoint and can be written as d by dx of, according to this, if equation is self-adjoint then we can write down the equation as this. So d by dx of capital A naught x dy by dx plus capital A2x. So what is A naught? A naught is nothing but this integral e raised to the power a1 by a naught x. This is A naught dy by dx plus this is A2, a2x by a naught x e raised to the power a1 by a naught dx, y is equal to 0. And we can write down this as px and this quantity as qx, where px is e raised to the power a1 by a naught dx and qx is a2 by a naught e raised to the power a1 by a naught dx. Okay, so this is the proof of this. So we can convert a given differential equation into a self-adjoint equation. Now theorem number 3, without proof, the adjoint of the adjoint operator is the operator itself. यानी एक इक्वेशन है उसकी एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन निकालो. अब उसकी भी एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन अगर आप निकालेंगे तो ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन आ जाएगी. सो दिस इज द थ्योरम. ओके, सो यू कैन प्रूव दिस वेरी इजीली. नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 1, फाइंड द एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर डी टू वाई बाई डी एक्स टू प्लस 2x क्यूब प्लस 1 डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. इसकी एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन हमें निकालनी है. Now first write down this equation in the form of a naught x d2y by dx2 plus a1x dy by dx plus a2x y equal to 0. So if you compare this, so what is a naught x? X square. What is a1x? This quantity 2x cube plus 1. What is a2? Coefficient of y is 1. Okay. Now the adjoint equation of 1 is given by, what is the adjoint equation of this equation? d2 by dx to a naught x y minus d by dx of a1 ya plus a2x y is equal to 0. This is the definition of the adjoint equation and we have already discussed in the previous page. Okay, so here d2 by dx2, what is a naught? X square y minus d by dx of a1, which is this 2x cube plus 1 y plus a2 is 1, so y is equal to 0. Now differentiate this. So d by dx of derivative of this is 2xy plus x square dy by dx minus differentiate this 6x square y plus 2x cube plus 1 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay, now again differentiate. So after differentiation we will get this 2y plus 2x dy by dx plus 2x dy by dx plus x square d2y by dx2 minus 6x square y plus 2x cube y plus 1 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0, which can be simplified and written as x square d2y by dx2 plus 4x minus 2x cube minus 1 dy by dx plus 3y 1 minus 2x square is equal to, so this is the adjoint equation. तो ये adjoint equation है given equation की. Okay, now the example number 2. Show that x square y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2y is equal to 0 is not a self adjoint equation. ये self adjoint equation नहीं है. पहला पार्ट तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है. सेकंड, ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इनटू एन इक्विवेलेंट सेल्फ एडजॉइंट इक्वेशन. ठीक. सो फर्स्ट दिस इज द इक्वेशन x square y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2y is equal to 0. If you compare this with this equation, a naught x y double dash plus a1x y1 plus a2 y is equal to 0. So a naught is x square, a1 is minus 2xy and a2 is 2. Okay, so they are listed here. Now if we will examine the condition for self adjoint, what is the condition? A naught dash is equal to a1. So a naught dash, what is a naught dash? Is 2x, but this is not equal to a1x because a1x is minus 2x, and hence equation number 1 is not self adjoint. Okay, so first part is over. Now the second part, क्योंकि ये तो सेल्फ एडजॉइंट नहीं है बट अब हमें इसको सेल्फ एडजॉइंट बनाना है. सो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस इक्वेशन बोथ साइड्स बाय द फैक्टर 1 by a naught x e raised to the power a1 by a naught x dx. Okay, as per the theorem number 2. This was the factor. This was the factor. This was the factor. So we have to use this theorem number 2. So 1 by a naught e raised to the power a1 by a naught dx. What is 1 a naught? So 1 by x square e raised to the power minus a1 2x divided by a naught, which is x square dx. So 1 by x square e raised to the power minus 2 by x dx. So 1 by x square, the integral of this is e raised to the power minus 2 log x. That means 1 by x square e raised to the power minus log x square. So 1 by x square e raised to the power log 1 upon x square. So this can be written as 1 by x square into 1 by x square. Okay, exponential से log कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो 1 by x स्क्वायर. सो वी गेट 1 by x रेज टू द पावर 4. यानी कि हमें इस फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई कराना है इसी पूरी इक्वेशन को. सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बाय 1 by x रेज टू द पावर 4. सो वी गेट 1 by x रेज टू द पावर 4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर वाई डबल डैश माइनस 2x अपॉन एक्स रेज टू द पावर 4 वाई डैश प्लस 2 अपॉन एक्स रेज टू द पावर 4 वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 0. So x raised to the power minus 2 y double dash minus 2 x raised to the power minus 3 y dash plus 2x raised to the power minus 4 y is equals to 0. This is equation number 3. Now comparing third with 2. If you compare this equation number 3 with equation number 2, then what will? A naught is x raised to the power minus 2. This quantity is a1, this quantity is a2, and now examine the self adjoint one, a naught, or you can say that a naught dash is equal to minus 2x raised to the power minus 3. Just differentiate this, so we get this, which is nothing but this a1, and hence equation number 3 is a self adjoint equation. Fine. Now the next is the Green's formula. This is Green's formula. So if L, capital L, is the differential operator, then Lu x is equals to a naught x d2y by dx2 plus a1 d by dx plus a2x. This is L operated on U. So Lu, where x is in between a and b. Then its adjoint operator M is defined as mvx is equals to d2 by dx2 a naught x vx minus d by dx a1 vx plus a2x vx. This is the definition of the adjoint operator. Okay, so this is equation number 2. here u, here is v. बेसिकली u एंड v आर द टू सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, क्योंकि सेकेंड ऑर्डर की इक्वेशन होगी तो उसके दो सॉल्यूशन होंगे, तो दोनों सॉल्यूशंस, एक u है एक v है, बोथ आर लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट. ओके, नाउ इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई हियर v by v and here by u, so we get vlu minus umv is equals to v, here we have multiplied by v, so v multiplied by this, so a naught u double dash plus a1 u dash plus a2 u minus, here we have multiplied by v से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, so सॉरी इसको u से मल्टीप्लाई किया, so u and d2 by dx2 a naught v minus d by dx of a1v plus a2v. Okay, this term is cancelled out with this term, v a to u, u a to v, so they are cancelled out. क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ v this part minus u, सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव है तो हमने इसको एक बार डिफ्रेंशिएट किया, सो डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ए नॉट वी, ए नॉट डैश वी प्लस ए नॉट एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वी, माइनस इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट किया, सो ए वन डैश वी माइनस ए वन वी डैश, इसको एज इट इज रखा, माइनस यू, अगेन इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट किया, सो ए नॉट डबल डैश वी प्लस टू ए वन ए नॉट डैश वी डैश प्लस ए नॉट वी डबल डैश माइनस ए वन डैश वी माइनस ए वन वी डैश, इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट किया ओनली. ओके, नाउ फिर हमने ए नॉट डैश, अब इस पूरी टर्म में ए नॉट डैश कहाँ कहाँ है, यू जस्ट सी हियर वी हैव ए नॉट डैश ओनली वन टर्म एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय टू, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस टू को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. वन पार्ट इज अटैच्ड हियर ए नॉट, here is minus, so here a naught dash, here is u and v dash, so uv dash, one part is attached here and the another part is attached here, a naught dash last term uv dash, so one part is minus this, minus of this, so this will give you this part. Okay, now here a naught dash vu dash is added and subtracted at the same time here, a naught dash vu dash is added here and subtracted here, vu dash. Okay, बाकी remaining terms ये रही, a naught vu double dash and from here minus u v double dash plus the now u and this v, u and v, so we can take minus a naught double dash, so this is written here and minus u and v, so this is written here and then here v and u minus plus, so a naught a1 dash, so a1 dash plus this is we have already discussed. ठीक, so now this can be written as, first two we can written as d by dx of a naught vu dash minus uv double dash v dash, and last two can be written as d by dx of uv a1 minus a naught dash. Now integrating both sides, so we get integral a to b vlu minus umv dx is equal to integral of a to b this part, so this is dx, so this is as it is, and now here is derivative, here is integral, so ultimately we get only this quantity and this quantity, so a naught vu dash minus uv dash plus uv this and a1 minus a naught dash with limit a to b, and this is basically the Green's formula. Okay, तो ये है हमारा Green's formula, ये हमारे Green's function में काम आएगा. Now the particular case, if L is self-adjoint, if L is self-adjoint, then L d by dx of some px dx plus qx, that means px d2 है, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं, अगर ये सेल्फ एडजॉइंट होगा तो हम इक्वेशन को इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, ये हमने थ्योरम पढ़ी थी, कॉरोलरी, वी हैव यूज्ड दिस कॉरोलरी, If this is self adjoint, then we can write down the equation in this form. So d by dx of some px, d by dx plus qx is equal to px d2 by dx2 plus dp by dx, d by dx plus qx. इसको differentiate किया, so we get this equation number 4. Now as u and v are two solutions of ly is equal to 0 and m is equal to l, because this is the condition for self adjoint, m equal to l के बराबर होगा, तब क्या होगा, lv is equal to nothing mv, because here दोनों साइड में v, ये दोनों v के ऊपर ऑपरेट किए, सो mv lv. Also a naught is what, if you compare with your given equation, a naught is nothing but px, so a naught is px. And what is a1 here, d by dx, here is d by dx is a1, here is dp by dx, and hence a1 is p dash. p dash का मतलब है dp by dx. ये वैल्यू इक्वेशन नंबर 4 में पुट कर देते हैं, तो क्या बनेगा, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में जब हम पुट करते हैं तो दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3, सॉरी दिस इज 3, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. सो 3 में जब पुट करते हैं तो क्या होगा, a to b v lu माइनस u l v dx इज इक्वल टू हियर a naught is px, so px vau dash minus uv dash with limit a to b, and here सेल्फ एडजॉइंट होगा तो ये क्वांटिटी क्या होगी, a नॉट डैश इज इक्वल टू a1 के बराबर होगा, तो ये जीरो हो जाएगा, तो ये जीरो हो जाएगा, तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज a1 माइनस a नॉट डैश इज बेसिकली p डैश माइनस p डैश, सो बोथ विल बी कैंसिल आउट, सो जीरो. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर द, अगर जीरो रखता हूँ तो ये सेल्फ एडजॉइंट कंडीशन भी है, तो ये जीरो हो जाएगा, तो केवल ये पार्ट बचेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर केस. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट video we will discuss about the Green's function. Okay, thank you.